Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is the 25th May 2024. In this video, let us let us generate bullish and bearish trade setups for monthly income trade and weekly income trade. They are nothing but swing or positional income trades. And also at the end of the video, we will generate the stop buffers based on daily ATR. Even before the generation of the reports, a small announcement please. If this is your first visit to our channel, please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. All the training videos are available at our NeoStock YouTube channel. You just click on this community tab at our NeoStock YouTube page. You will get access to this post. This post is having a YouTube playlist link that will take you to all the training lessons. I just clicked on that link. Now we are into the playlist supply demand zone price action course. Then scroll down to the bottom of this page. Here starting from lesson 1.1, all the training videos are available in an order. Please go through all these lessons one by one and strengthen your skills related to supply demand zone price action. I have also provided the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. So from the YouTube video description, join in the Telegram channel. It will be helpful to you each time when we release a new YouTube video or any other important update we will provide in the Telegram channel. Now let's get into the report generation with the help of NeoStock software supply demand zone top-down analysis strategy builder. The first report we are going to generate bullish trade setup, stocks that are supporting bullish trade setup based on monthly income trade. For monthly income trade, entry time frame is daily. For bullish trade setup, entry zone is demand zone. And also in the parameter bullish or bearish trade setup, at daily time frame, I am selecting the value bullish. And 3 additional filters also I am going to set. The first filter is pierced count should be 0 for our entry time frame demand zone. That is the daily demand zone. Pierced count should be 0. That's why in daily time frame, in minimum value I am setting 0, maximum value I am setting 0. That means pierced count is 0. Pierced count 0 means the zone is not pierced. And then the next parameter zone achievement, I am selecting the value VOZ, violated opposing zone. And the next parameter minimum odd enhancer score, the value should be 12. So with these filters, whatever the 3 filters we set, those 3 filters are applied to daily demand zone. And now filter the stocks. Now we got all the stocks that are supporting bullish trade setup. Nifty 50 currently supporting bullish trade setup for monthly income trade. Nifty IT, Nifty reality indices also supporting. And remaining all are stocks, equity stocks. Now let me scroll down because I am giving you only few seconds time to watch this report and then scrolling down. So in case if you want to study any of these stocks, pause the video. You can go through all these columns, so you can get into the timestamps of this leg in, base candle count and leg out, and you can draw the zones in the charts based on these details. In case if you are not aware of how to understand this report, I request you complete our training lesson 21.1. That is part 1 of lesson 21. In that video, I have explained each and every column in detail, their values, their abbreviations, everything I explained. I also explained how we can draw zone in trading view by taking the timestamp from leg in, base candle count and leg out. So please complete lesson 21.1. Okay, let me scroll down the list. Now total 25 stocks are filtered. These 25 stocks are supporting bullish trade setup for monthly income trade. Now let's generate bearish trade setup for monthly income trade. So I am going back. For monthly income trade, entry time frame is daily, but for bearish trade setup, entry zone should be supply zone. And also in bullish or bearish trade setup parameter, in daily time frame, I am changing the value to bearish. Now bearish trade setups stocks we can generate. And the three filters, whatever we set earlier, now the filters will be applied to daily supply zone. Because we changed the entry zone as supply zone, the filters are applied to daily supply zone. Now let me generate the report. So three stocks are filtered. And these three stocks are supporting bearish trade setup for monthly income trade. So now let me go back and generate bullish and bearish trade setups for weekly income trade. For weekly income trade, entry time frame is 75 minutes. For bullish trade setup, entry zone is demand zone. And also in bullish or bearish trade setup, in 75 minutes time frame, I am selecting the value of bullish because we need to set three filters. First filter, P-host count should be 0. So in this parameter P-host count, this time we are selecting 75 minutes because that is our entry time frame. So I am selecting the minimum value as 0, maximum value as 0, indicates 75 minutes demand zone should not be pierced, and also zone achievement for 75 minutes demand zone violated opposing zone, and a minimum odd enhancer score for 75 minutes demand zone, it should be 12. So with these filters I am filtering the stocks. Now 13 stocks are filtered. These 13 stocks are supporting bullish trade setup for weekly income trade. Now let's generate a bearish trade setup for weekly income trade. So I am going back. For bearish trade setup weekly income trade, entry time frame is 75 minutes, but entry zone should be changed to supply zone. And also in bullish or bearish trade setup, in 75 minutes time frame, I am changing the value to bearish. Now all the three filters, this time the filters are applied to 75 minutes supply zone because we changed the entry zone. Now let us filter the stocks. Three stocks are filtered. And currently these three stocks are supporting bearish trade setup for weekly income trade. Now let us generate stop buffers based on daily ATR. I am generating. This is the daily ATR list, and this column is having daily ATR value, and 15% ATR you have to use it for MIT stocks, 10% ATR you have to use it for WIT stocks, that is weekly income trade stocks. In this list, first 17 are indices, sectorial indices, and remaining all are equity stocks, but they have listed in F&O category. But stocks are equity stocks. So I am scrolling this list down. Each time when I scroll down, I'll be giving you only few seconds on each page. So in case if you want to refer any of your stocks, please pause the video. So let me scroll the list down. This is the end of the report. Hope this information will be useful to you for our further study and analysis. Let us all meet again in our next video. Thank you.